If you're a content creator out there or just making YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Facebook videos, any type of videos, and you're doubting why people don't watch your videos sometimes, or why some people just scroll over your videos and they don't have interest in it, this video is for you. Sometimes most people don't understand your accent. Remember, we're all from different backgrounds and we have different accents, right? We have different accents. Most people don't understand your accent. Most people don't understand what you are saying. Most people don't hear you well, right? And they just scroll past over your video. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedures on how to add caption to your video using CapCut, okay? I'm going to show you how you can be talking and your words are being written on your video. That's they're popping up as you speak, right? Your words are popping up as you speak. That way, it gives room to some people to be able to read. Some people follow your videos up by just reading the captions that are appearing on the screen, that are popping up on the screen, and they understand what you are actually saying in your video or what you are doing. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedures on how to add captions to your videos using CapCut. Make sure you watch this video from beginning to end and learn these procedures. It will help you to enhance your video to go viral, okay? It's going to help you. Hello friends, how you all doing today? I hope good. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always returning back to watch my videos. If this is your very first time for watching me, my name is Breeze for Breeze Media. I do create educational content which will help to enhance your day-to-day activities and also to help your loved ones out there to do their day-to-day activities with relative ease. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do well to subscribe. Not to take much of your time, let's jump into the video as I'll be showing you the step-by-step procedures on how to add caption to your content to attract more viewers. Watch the video. The very first thing you need to do is to upload your video to CapCut. After uploading your video to CapCut, play the video to make sure it has been fully uploaded and it is playable. Welcome back. After that, the next thing to do, you click on the text icon at the bottom. It will bring you to this page. Click on auto captions and it will bring you to this page. On this page, as you can see, in the middle, you can select the font size, the font type, how you want your caption to be popping on your screen. As you can select your template from the middle here. In the sake of this video, I will select the second one. The next thing down, we have bilingual caption. You can select the language in which you want your captions to be in. The next thing is identify filter words. If your video is having filter words, make sure you turn this feature on in order not to caption the filter words. The next thing to do is to click generate. When you click generate, it's going to take time to generate some seconds or minutes depending on the size and the length of your video. Mine is done generating. Now the next thing to do, I'll go ahead and play the video. Welcome back and thank you for watching that video. I hope. Okay, here is my video and my captioning, as you all can see. The next thing to do now is you always want to make sure your captions are spelled out rightly, because sometimes the system gets your words differently, you know, because we have different accents, so the system may not understand what you said and it will write something else. So to do that, you click on any of the captions, select any of the captions and select edit captions at the bottom. When you select edit captions, it's going to open up this way for you. You click on either of the captions you want to edit. Select either of the captions you want to edit, you open up this way and you go ahead and edit your caption. Once you're done, you click the tick by the side. Here, you can actually do a lot of things. You can change the size, you can change the type, how the caption is popping up, you can duplicate it, you can do so many things here. You can even delete the caption here. When you're done, you click the side arrows to go back to the main menu. Here, we have everything set up and ready to go. Let me play the video one more time. Welcome back and thank you for watching that video. I hope it was educative. So you can see, as you can see, my captions are popping up and it's good to go. When I'm done putting in my captions, I'll come ahead at the top right and click the arrow at the top right to download my video. And my video is downloading, as you can see. Now my video has been downloaded. Welcome back. I'm sure you've enjoyed the video and I'm sure you've learned how to add caption to your videos or to your content. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do well to subscribe. Hit the subscription button below and subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to drop a comment at the comment section letting me know you have subscribed so that I can rush right there and give you a thank you hug. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned and Stay blessed. Before I go, don't forget to watch my other content. Please watch other videos on my channel, browse through my channel, and enjoy yourself. Thank you.